Video number 3. Why you should definitely use WhatsApp for your business today. WhatsApp is an amazing tool that can help your business stay in touch. Below are some amazing benefits as well as some shocking facts that will help you get the most out of WhatsApp on behalf of your business. Amazing benefits. Always free to use. You can easily send free messages to any part of the world without any charges. This service is completely free. For every device, it is free to download and use WhatsApp for the first year. After that first year, you get the option of purchasing a subscription for 99 cents a year. There is no difference between the paid version and the free version. Runs on multiple devices. WhatsApp works on iPhone, Android, BlackBerry, Windows Phone, and Nokia Symbian. It doesn't matter if you are using an iPhone and your friend is using an Android phone. As long as both of you have WhatsApp installed and an internet connection, you can chat without any limits. You can download the app by going to www.whatsapp.com/download from the web browser on your phone. If your device is supported, you will be directed to the correct download page for your device. Multimedia support. WhatsApp can send a text message of any length, large or small videos, or even audio files to your friends and contacts. You can easily forward media files you receive from your friends in less than a couple seconds. Works on 2G and Edge. If 3G is expensive in your country, you can always use 2G, Edge, and GPRS to connect to WhatsApp. GPRS is sufficiently fast for WhatsApp, as long as it is text only and no multimedia, as it consumes very little data. Personalized profile. Just like Facebook offers a personal account, WhatsApp Messenger gives you the option to set your own profile picture, change your status, and broadcast messages to all of your friends. The picture you set in your WhatsApp profile will be displayed in the chat screen, in your individual and group chats, and in the favorites list, Contacts tab on Android, on devices that support it. The status is a real-time indicator of what you are doing. You can view status messages by opening WhatsApp and going to the favorites list, Contacts tab on Android. On iPhone and Windows Phone, the name you put in your WhatsApp profile is used in the message notifications your friends receive when you write to them. On all other platforms, the name your friend has saved in their address book will be used in message notifications. No more international roaming charges. Gone are the days when you have to pay exorbitant roaming charges. WhatsApp requires only a data connection, which is now available cheaply in every part of the world. You can use the voice recording option to record and send a message. Read messages offline. WhatsApp stores all the videos and images in the phone's memory, and the latest messages are accessible even without the internet connection. Easy access and group chat. WhatsApp does not require you to log in or log out of the account. Every phone number gets to have only one WhatsApp account, so now you will be connected faster with your buddies. You can also create a group, invite your friends, and start a conversation. Get notifications. Depending on the smartphone you are using, you can customize your notifications and alerts in WhatsApp. To ensure the prompt delivery of WhatsApp notifications, please check that you have a good internet connection and your phone's sound and notification settings are configured properly. Backup chat. Saving SMS requires special software, but WhatsApp messages can be backed up offline or even stored on a cloud. Shocking facts. In 2014, the revenue of WhatsApp was $10.2 million, and net cash used in operations was $9.9 million. The previous year's revenue of the app was $3.8 million. 70% of users are active on a daily basis. This app is the 5th most downloaded app on Android. WhatsApp messaging volume is approaching the entire global telecom SMS volume. Free for the first year and 99 cents for each ensuing year for unlimited messages. As of April 2015, WhatsApp has more than 800 million active users. India has the largest number of active users on WhatsApp. More than 1 million users get registered on WhatsApp daily. As of January 2015, 30 billion messages are sent and received on WhatsApp daily. 73% of users access it via an Android device. Average amount of time spent by users on WhatsApp on a weekly basis is 195 minutes. WhatsApp is responsible for 27% of selfies shared on social media. The average user checks the app approximately 23 times per day. An average user sends more than 1,000 messages per month on WhatsApp. 22% of users access it via an iOS device. As of early 2014, the average user shares about 40 pictures, 7 videos, and 13 voice notes per month on WhatsApp. WhatsApp is worth more than the entire annual budget of NASA, which is $17 billion. As of February 2015, WhatsApp is 6th on the list of global brands ranking the highest in consumer engagement. 13% of APAC apps market is shared by WhatsApp, particularly in the messaging department. WhatsApp's record for the most messages in a day was 64 billion.